Meet Diaphanie, a unique tool that takes demanding filmmakers into the next dimension of look creation. Drop our OFX plugin straight into your favorite grading suite and uncover how your texture splits into a series of fine-tuned parametric tools. Born from traditional film behavior and boosted by digital freedom, Diaphanie's sharp maths offer continuous and robust transformations. Play with textures like never before, using our powerful spatial equalizer, sleek halation and diffusion emulators, and highly adjustable procedural grain. Our multi-resolution and transparent color-managed workflows let you focus on what matters most, shaping your vision with confidence across format and delivery specs. Forget restrictive pre-made looks and step into a world of limitless modularity with our stunning adjustable presets. At any time, save your texture's parametric values and build up your own library, project after project. Explore our ecosystem, where technical precision teams up with artistic freedom, so you can finally just create. HAL Picture, smart color science, empowering filmmakers.